Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're doing another QuinBoxed, and there's two things before we get started. The first is there is currently a sale again on Aliexpress. So take a look at these. Let's see if I framed that correctly somewhat. Here are some codes you can use to get off for when spending a certain amount. Okay, that's enough of that. More of that in the video description, or of course on the Discord channel if you want to create custom links. Helping me out, that's always appreciated. The second thing is we have a pre-package again. I'm not sure what I'm going to call this yet, because we're probably going to have some more over the time doing QuinBoxes. But this is actually a product a friend of mine developed. It's Tom Clement, who was also in the last video about the China PCB assembly plant, and will also be in the AllNet video, for instance. And he sent me this package, and he created a product called the Bolt. He has a company, Curious Supplies. Not sure you can actually see that here. Curious Supplies. And, well, this is the Bolt, and it's a glitching multi-tool. What the hell is a glitching multi-tool? Oh, if you want the URL, the bolt.curious.supplies/intro. But it's a glitching multi-tool kit, because he gives you the multi-tool itself, which is this cool-looking PCB here. And yeah, this is totally like, it's not sponsored, it's for a friend. So if you want to move on, there'll be jump links in the description as always. So let's take a closer look at that real quick, because it is actually quite a nice device, as you can see here. There is let me turn it around. There's an RP40 on there. Oh, well, I had the right way around. RP40 on there is a processor. It got USB-C and some flash and all kinds of other chips to do, well, the glitching. Because basically what this tool can do, it has an 8-channel logic analyzer on there. It has a voltage glitcher on there. And a third feature I just forgot. But let's take a quick look at his website. Well, while that site scrolls over, I took a quick peek. And it has a differential power analyzer. That, of course, works with the voltage glitching. And now, what's the idea? Well, they give you all the hardware that's required, including a second PCB board, which is a testing board. This board has an STM32 implemented, I believe, with all security features enabled. And, well, there's basically no way to get into it. And the challenge is, and he has a whole documentation website and challenges written out with hints and solutions and everything, to basically break into this chip using hardware instead of hacking the software with bugs. Well, if you're interested in such an electronics challenge, he's selling the kit in a web store you might have heard of if you've been following the channel for a while now, netwerkwinkel.com, and the whole kit is about 60 euros. If you're living abroad in the US or Canada, etc., there might be other sales options available, but I don't know about those right now. So my recommendation would be to ask Tom either through his website, email, or Twitter. And yeah, so if you've been interested in hardware hacking and would like a kit to get started with that, this looks like a great option. I haven't used it myself, but this is QuinBoxed. This isn't about stuff I've already used. But knowing Tom, and I've known Tom for a while now, he makes pretty awesome stuff. So, okay. So, that was the pre-packaged part of QuinBoxed for today. Let's get back to ripping open packages with random stuff inside. First off, I want to rip open this because, well, you can see in the mini preview that this is a very weird shaped box. And I have no clue what's in here. It's been on my my packaging table for like a month now, I think. Because I've been busy with all kinds of other stuff. So let's see what's in here. It's always the trouble. At some point I start actually needing the stuff I order. But yeah. It's, as always, they glued it down pretty good. Oh, right, this is actually for a friend of mine who asked me to order one of these. I was like, sure, I can tag one along with one of my orders. I think it's an LED screen over here, and it's programmable using Bluetooth. So yeah, I'll have that listed in the description. Well, wait, I guess we can try and take it out. Should be a way to open this. I believe this was for one of his pets. I don't know if he does pet shows or something like that. But this is a... Well, I guess you could wear it on your forehead. I don't know. But we're not going to check that out right now. So I'll put that in the box and give it to him soon. Cool. Right. Well, it has LEDs, so it fits in the show, right? I ordered a couple of types, so who knows, maybe we'll see more. What kind of magic is this? There. Okay. Oh, did I mention I ordered a couple of types? Figured it might have been this one. It's exactly the same thing in a different package without a box. Again, LED screen. This one probably has different color LEDs actually, because there's a red dot on here, and I didn't check it on the previous one. But as always, I'll have them both listed in the video description. Well, this is a cute and tiny package. Oh. What did I order here? Oh, right. I ordered something from the competitors or colleagues or however you want to call them. This is probably a WLED controller. And which one is it? I don't know. Because some people have been bugging me that they were like, hey, couldn't you do like an analysis of these generic AliExpress and Amazon controllers on one of your live streams? I was like, sure, I can check them out and see how they built them and, you know, things like that. So that's why I bought one, and we might take a look at it during a live stream sometime, see what I think about them. I don't really want to start down talking or downplaying other people's projects, but I can do a technical analysis. So, yeah. Packaging is decent. I actually got it back in the box. That's pretty good. Okay. Oh. What's this? This is a different style packaging than normal from AliExpress. Seems to have some fabric inside. Oh, yes, I ordered some of these. I often, actually, once or twice a week, clean my desk, and I use these microfiber pads for that. So I saw some sale on AliExpress a while back, and they were, you know, selling microfiber pads. So these are some dual-sided microfiber pads. I'm not sure if the yellow side or the gray side does anything different, but yeah, these are pretty big though. I didn't know I ordered them that big. Okay. Well, this one has already been broken into, so let's just see what's in there. Oh, I think I know what it is. Probably a Meanwell power supply. Ah! So much packaging. It's sticking onto me. Okay, well, this box is broken. It's okay. Let's just take the power supply out. Yes, it's a UHP-350-12. A passively cooled 350 watt 12 volt power supply. I really like this UHP line. They're very efficient. They're silent. They're half potted, so they also don't make any PWM noises, stuff like that. So yeah, awesome. Good. I used one in a project recently, which I'll show in the channel at some later point. So that's likely why I ordered a new one. Again, so much packaging. Welcome to Rip and Tear. Come on. Okay. There, that should be enough. What is in here? Oh, this actually shouldn't have gone in a QuinBox, but I guess, I think I haven't opened it up yet, but I guess I didn't filter it out yet, because I want to do a separate live stream at some point about these things, because I think this is a, yes, this is a PoE Plus AF80 or PoE plus BT 48 volt and either an injector or an extractor. Because I've been developing power diff or diff power, and well, I would like to see how much official PoE would cost and what you would get for that. Well, it's a pretty nice module. So at some point we're going to do a live stream where, oh, it didn't mount, nice. Where we're going to do some tests on this. Well, this is plus earth minus. Okay, but what is it? Output. Output 12, 16, 24, or 48 volts. Oh, there's dip switches. Oh, interesting. So you can set it to 12. Oh. 12, 16, 24, and 48 volts. And you have PoE in, data out. So this is an output splitter. Cool. Yes. Max BT. Max 90 watts. Interesting. Yes. So at some point we're going to test this during one of the live streams. But I can already tell you, price-wise, this little box alone is going to cost you more than the whole power diff system altogether. But still, it's good to test, you know, and see how the official PoE would do it. And, you know, if people want to go with official PoE to run LEDs, sure, you can do that. So let's move on. But as I said, I have some more packages pertaining that particular subject, and we'll look at those in a live stream sometime. So let's get this open. Oh, I don't need the box anymore, so let's just get it out. LED. Oh, yes. We keep have to tell people not to use certain Chinese power supplies because they look great. And then if you read the description, it'll say, don't use more than 50% or 50% efficient. And well, this is probably one of those. Yes, this is 300-24. Does that mean 300 watt? What do you think yourself? Really? Yes, this tiny little guy here is 300 watts. 12.5 amps out. I don't know, man, if you believe it yourself, but it is an aluminium, not plastic. I've seen these in plastic too when I was in China. So yeah, we'll test it. We'll load it up and see if it explodes. That's another live stream topic right there. Cool. That's going to be fun. Okay. What's in here? Oh, this is for my X1 carbon, I think. I believe you can use this splitter on the back of it. Oh, it's actually 3D printed. I guess I could have 3D printed that myself, huh? But then you know. But it's to split the input, so you can have an external input next to the AMS. Cool. Very nice. This can go there. Oh, what is this? Is it, my friends, LED strip? It is. Of course. I believe I wanted to prepare a video where I wanted to have various types with several different types of waterproofing and different types of color strip. So I could show you the differences between having a white strip or a black strip or an IP30, IP65, IP67, etc., etc. And so I think I selected SK6812 to do that test. And also, I also got a 5 meter one. BTF Lighting says they updated their SK6812 to a newer version. And I was like, okay, well, it seems to have some nice advantages, such as having 4 kilohertz PWM, I believe, instead of 1.2 kilohertz, etc. Well, let's test that. So then I have to order test strip, right? Let's see what's in here. This might actually also be LEDs. LEDs. Maybe not. I don't know. It could still be LEDs. Oh, it's starting to look like. Oh, it's a black bag LED strip. I mean, oh, let's see what it says. RA98. That's probably why I bought it. It says it has a CRI of 98. Wow. I don't think so, but who knows? Oh, is it, how many meters is this? 8 millimeters wide. Is it 10 meters? Could be. Cool. Oh, okay. It says it has a Bridge Lux chip with a registered trademark. Chinese symbol. Okay. Well, I'll put that to my tester and see what it actually does, and if it's any good, I might list it on my website. Let's see here. Oh, yes. The next one for the saga. Let's blow up some power supplies during a live stream. Okay, so here we have another power supply. This one is, oh, it's the same. It's also 300 watt, 24 volt, 24 volt output, 12.5 amps. Sounds a bit flimsy, but overall construction looks pretty okay. It has all the labels. We'll see. Let's see if you can do 300 watts for 10 minutes. I doubt it. Okay, what's in? Oh no, there is. Are you guys just watching QuinBoxed by now to see me unbox LEDs? I bought some WS2811s, I guess. I'm not 100% sure why. Sometimes I don't remember why I bought stuff. Yeah, these are IP65 WS11 from BTF Lighting. I am not quite certain why I bought these, but I probably had a project in mind with them. Cool, very nice on the LED pile. Oh, yes, nice. I can feel what this is. It is another cheapo power supply. That's 24 volt, 300 watts. And it's from Shenzhen Zhongdong Electronic Company Co. Limited. I can't speak Chinese, sorry. Oh, this one looks familiar. This, oh no, it's still a different one, I think. Yeah, I do like the AC side on this side and then the DC side on this side. That kind of design, right? But this is another one. It is cheapo aluminium, not plastic, I think. Yeah. Hot. Something can get hot in there. Interesting. Okay, well, we'll load test this one too. See what happens. Okay, no clue what this is. Oh, it has an AllNet sticker on it. Did I miss a package from AllNet? Was this meant to be sent to me? I don't know. Let's see here. It's my own controllers. Well, you guys got a taste for an AllNet unboxing. This is likely a rerouted package to me that wasn't able to be delivered here in the Netherlands. It seems to be a Dig-Quad Ethernet and a Dig-Uno Ethernet. I'll have to inspect that package to see what's going on and to whom this should have actually gone. So I'll look at that a bit later. And then see if I can still forward it to them. Right? That's an interesting one. That's been on my table a while, so that's not good. Oh well. Oh, it seems I ordered some antenna pigtails. Ooh, these are very small. Yeah, they're probably for the ESP32C3. Because I needed some better pigtails for that to try out. Cool. I'm not sure why I ordered probably two different variants. Let's see here. Oh. What is in here? Wow. Oh! This might also be one of the shouldn't get... Oh! No. This is part of the power supply test. Because this is a BTF 360-24. So this will do 24 volt, 15 amps. So this is one of the frame power supply's BTF cells. Absolutely. I mean, supposedly they do about the same. I don't know about that. Okay. Yeah. We'll add that to the list to test. This at least looks a bit more chunky. Doesn't mean it has to be better, but you know. Cool. Okay, you go onto the power supply pile. Well, this box is almost empty, but I thought we were going to do this for like half an hour, but... Oh, that's easy. I think I've been racing through these. Oh, nice. When I was building stuff, I sometimes needed a rubber grommet. Because you don't want to have bare cables going through a hole, especially a drilled one. So you can use a grommet, but then you never have the right size. So I got a kit which contains lots of, different sizes. And then you can just poke your cable through here, make a small opening. So even if the hole size is bigger than your cable, it should still hug the cable pretty tightly so that it remains at least somewhat watertight. I've got small, large, medium. Yeah. Always comes in handy. Can't hurt to have. That's why I buy a lot of stuff. Okay, I thought we were going to do this half an hour, but I still have more packages that just aren't here. One moment, please. Okay, I've added some more packages to the box. So we're going to go through those. And then there's a last package, which was, I think, one of the heaviest in regards to how compact it is ever. So I have no clue what's in there. Oh, what are these? Oh, right. These might actually be cool to pick up during the sale, but I'll have to test them first. These are some Movespeed. Well, I also got some power banks from them that have been really good. I'll actually add those here because I'm not sure where they are in my whole packaging mess. But I tested some power banks which are excellent. So if you need some high power banks, check out the ones that are currently showing over there. But these are some USB sticks. So this is USB 3.2 and this one doesn't say, but I believe I got two different types. Yeah, this one is also USB 3.2. Let's take a quick look at these because I'm just curious. Now, I'll let you know in the video description after testing them, because buying this stuff from AliExpress can be a hit or miss. So you have to do a full write and then read and then verify to make sure these actually have the capacity and speed that it says on the box. Actually, I'll add it in a video, but because by the time I'm done editing this video, I'll know. So I got two different types, and the nice thing of these is that they have USB-A. Oh, it feels quite hefty too. And USB-C. So I thought that could come in handy. And they're nice and they're actual metal. That's nice. These flaps don't stay shut. That's, you know, well, I guess like that. And this is, I believe, the smaller one or the faster one. I don't know. But you can get both designs. The design is kind of the same, actually. Slightly different. Yeah, and I got them in two different sizes. So I'll check that out, and it'll be listed here on the video if these are recommended or not. I'll have done one full pass to verify if they have the actual capacity and the actual speed, of course. And then I'll let you know. And you get a keychain holder hanger thingy. Wow. Noise. What's this? Okay, random RJ45 UTP plugs. No clue. This is probably when I was designing the Diff Advanced Terminator plug. I don't even know if I can find the exact right listing for that. So, we'll see. Oh no, more bags in a bag. Okay, I think this is okay. All right. This is one of those choose 3 for $1 deals, I think. Oh, nice bag. And these are some pens for marking, well, during construction or other work. But the nice thing is that these have a very long tip, as you can see here. So if you need to mark something like wood or something like that, if you're working on it, I thought these could be very nice, and I saw an offer for them, so I bought some. And I bought different colors. Are these permanent markers? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Okay, and then we have another package here. Oh, what's these? Oh, right. Okay, so I often use these kind of snips during my PCB work. These are angled snips, and I just got some new ones because the ones I've been using for a few years, and it's like, they're not cutting as well as they used to. So I got some new ones, and this time they have green handles. But they're just cheap snips. Work pretty well, but yeah. Of course. In a recent project I used some of these connectable WAGO plugs. Now, I really don't recommend them for AC, as I think Big Clive made a video about them, and you can actually insert them like this, which is very bad. Do not do this. But I use them for DC and 5 and 12 and 24 volt projects, and still it isn't great if you short them, but it's at least less of a problem. But these are pretty cool because you can disconnect them and reconnect them. Just make sure to line them up correctly. And yeah, that's the basic idea. These are smaller than the ones I had before, though, it seems. Almost there, because I really want to know what's in that last package, why it's so heavy. Let's see here. Oh, right. This is also for my Diff Advanced Terminator plug idea I had. I needed some flat 8-piece wire, and well, UTP wire is flat. You can get it flat, and 8 wires, so that's why I got some of them. Not interested in that anymore. Okay, last normal package. Oh, more badges. Hello. Hello. More hello. Okay, let's take a quick look. USB cable to charge them. Okay, so it's a simple batch. This one's obviously red. Then I likely got a different color for this one. No, it's also red. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, more batch stuff for the project that guy was working on. Good. Okay, well, the tub is empty again, and we've passed the 30-minute mark. So we're going to this guy. Hold on. I have no clue what I ordered that is this heavy. Oh! What? How many of these do I get? Well, remember that power bank I was talking about? Well, those are these, but I thought I already received those. I am slightly confused. So, maybe I have more now. Anyway, I really like them because I fully tested them with a full load test already, and they do great. So, let's see. Well, I guess these have different packaging. That is interesting. I guess one is the Chinese version, the other is the international version there. So I guess we'll unpack, well, we'll unpack a yellow one because I have two yellow ones. But I really, really liked these power banks because they are, let's see, let's take a quick look at the specs. They are 2500 milliamp in capacity. There's 92.5 watt hour. And if you want to take it on a plane, you're not allowed to take more than 99 watt hour. So that's good. That's exactly right near the limit. And then rated energy is 5 volt at 3 amp is 1500 milliamp hour. Because these cells that are in here are either 3.6 or 3.7 volt. And at that voltage, they have this capacity. But then it needs to be boost converted or down buck converted or whatever to the voltage you actually need. So the rated capacity is always lower than that big number they put in the box. But this one can do some cool stuff because it can do input 5 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt, 15 volt, and even 20 volt at 3.25 amps. So 65 watt input. Very fast charging. And output, it can even do 100 watt. Now, I have to put a caveat to that because I put it on my load testers and everything, and I really put it through the ringer. And yes, it can charge with 50 to 65 watt continuously, very fast. But discharging, it can do with 65 watt for until it's empty. But 100 watt, it can only sustain for like 10, 15 minutes. If you try to do it longer than that, it will drop in output power. Now, that's perfectly fine. It's likely a component internally which gets to heat, but it auto-regulates and then it works just fine. So it can actually do the 100 watt it says it can do, just not sustained. Then again, if you're charging a real device, so not a load tester, like a laptop, etc., that's not going to maintain 100 watt continuously anyway. So it's more of a load tester scenario than a real world scenario. Real world, if you're charging your laptop or tablet or phone, it'll do that at max speed it can do. No problem whatsoever. I've also had it on the couch, for instance, with my laptop attached, just prolonging the battery life basically, and it did it perfectly from 100 to 0%. Yeah, so you get a little USB-C to USB-C cable with it. And the power bank itself. Now, this isn't some fancy high-tech plastic or high-tech material construction. This is glossy plastic with, well, they're not stickers because you can't really run your nail on them, but it's not much better than that. But still, it's clearly labeled. Everything, all the information is there. It has a nice little screen here. And you can turn it off and on, and then you can see this. Okay, well, it's currently at 70%. The screen is very low refresh rate, so that's why it's flickering. So let's actually, I don't know, hook it up, see what happens. So it has 3 ports, USB-C 1, USB-C 2, they both have input and output function and function basically the same. And then USB-A, so I don't know, let's put it on here. And it immediately goes to 20 volt. Let's see how much amps we're getting. Yeah, 3 amps, 3.3, 3.2. Well, that's pretty close to the 3. Well, it could do 3.25 actually, so that's spot on for 65 watt charging. And well, my power brick here even says 20 volt and 72 watts, so that is excellent. And so, as I mentioned, if you need a power bank during this sale and you've been looking for one that can handle everything, including your laptop, giving it 100 watt output, these things are great. And don't worry, this flickering you don't really see in real life. It's just a status display anyway. I like that it also mentions the time. So this mentions how long it'll take for it to charge. But if I, for instance, connect my phone, let's, I don't know, where's my phone? Let's disconnect this. This is a 240 watt cable. Well, we'll see about that, but I don't know, other port. So now my phone is connected and okay, it's asking super fast charging 2.0. That is the best standard my Galaxy S23 Plus supports. It says 32 minutes until full. And the power bank basically says, okay, I'm outputting 9.3 volts. That's what the phone is asking at 2.2 amps, 2.1, 2.3. And it can sustain that for 2 hours and 43 minutes because this is a really big battery bank basically. Yeah, so this is charging my phone at the maximum speed my phone is rated for. Cool, excellent. Yeah, so that's basically it again for the QuinBoxed. I have some really high quality USB sticks to test here. I really like the fact that they're USB-C and USB-A, so you can use them in new and old computers, especially laptops nowadays. They don't always have a USB-A port available, so yeah. And yeah, power banks. Don't forget about the sale. If you like that hardware hacking device, you can look up more info on that, and all the links will be in the description as always. And if you do decide to buy something because you need it, not because it's, you know, don't buy it from me. If you use the links in the video description, that's always very much appreciated. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.